There's an invisible threat lurking in floodwaters, a potentially deadly bacteria. Florida health officials are warning of an unusual increase in cases of flesh-eating bacteria following the storm. It's a cause for concern, especially for those cleaning up after the hurricane. CBS 12's Katie Benty joins us tonight with details and what you need to know to stay safe. Katie?
As recovery efforts ramp up following Hurricane Milton, it's important to remember not all threats are obvious. This flesh-eating bacteria can turn a simple cleanup into a serious health risk. It's not just about what you can see after a hurricane that's dangerous, but also what you can't see. Ahead of Hurricane Milton, the Florida Department of Health issued this warning, urging residents to steer clear of floodwaters. Vibrio vulnificus is a potentially deadly flesh-eating bacteria that thrives in warm coastal waters, especially after storms.
We have this great climatic event. It pushes water where it shouldn't be, and now the humans are kind of picking up the pieces from the storm. They're in the waters, or heaven forbid they were in the waters during the storm. And now they've been exposed to these waterborne pathogens.
Dr. Norman Beatty specializes in infectious diseases at the University of Florida, and he's currently part of a team investigating Vibrio vulnificus across the state. He warns while this bacteria can be ingested through raw or undercooked shellfish like oysters, it can also infect cuts on the skin, which could result in limb amputations. And about 1 in 5 people die, sometimes within a day or two.
It really triggers the infection of the skin and soft tissue to cause the tissue to die. And it can happen very rapidly. Within hours.
Confirmed cases of Vibrio are climbing in Florida. Before Hurricane Helene, there were just 6 cases. Now following Milton, data shows that number has jumped to 74, with 13 resulting in death.
Just trying to stay protected when we go to assist with hurricane cleanup and recovery, I think is the most important thing that we can do to be prepared for this.
Palm Beach County had 2 fatalities from Vibrio this year, but these were not linked to the hurricanes. Health experts say the best way to protect yourself is to avoid any floodwaters and wear protective clothing if you're going to be cleaning up, and make sure to seek immediate medical attention at the very first sign of symptoms. I'm Katie Benty with CBS 12 News. Back to you.
Hi, I'm Liz Quirantes. Click like and subscribe buttons if you want to see more stories like this that impact you.